Learning Zilli Nishmas Etta Ahuva Bas Yaakov Masechet Gitin Perek Beis Mishna Hey Hakol Ksherin Lichte V'Saget. Anyone could write a get. Afilu Cheres Shaita V'Katan. Even someone who is a deaf, someone who is a shaita, or a child. The Gemara asks, how are they allowed to write a get? V'Halab B'nei Deya Ninu. So we think right now that the ksiva has to be done by someone who is a bar Deya. And over here, if it's written by Cheres Shaita V'Katan, it's not good. So the Gemara says three terutzim. Rav Huna says it's Gadol Oimid Al Gabav, which only helps by Cheres Shaita V'Katan. It would not help by a goy, because by a goy we say he does it on his own. He's Oivikacham L'daita D'Nafshei Avid, but a Cheres Shaita V'Katan, if there's a Gadol Oimid Al Gabav, we say he does it Lishma. The second teretz of the Gemara is that it's going like Rameir, that you don't need Ksiva Lishma. And the third teretz of the Gemara, Yehudar Mishmuel, says that it's dafka talking that you wrote the typhus of the get, but you left off the Shem Ha'ish, the Isha, Vazman, the Torah of the get, that was not written by the Cheres Shaita V'Katan. And there's a machlekes rishonim whether this teretz also still needs Gadol Oimid Al Gabav. The Rav seems to say that you need both. You need Gadol Oimid Al Gabav, and it's dafka talking about the typhus of the get, and not the Torah. The Mishnah says, Vaiter, Ha'isha Kaiseves as Gita, Va'ish Kaisev as Shaiver. Even though normally the man writes the get, and the lady writes the receipt to say that the ksuva was paid, it can be done in the opposite order, and then give it over to the other person. She'in kiyam haget ela b'chaisamav, because the main thing is the chasimas haget. The last halacha of the Mishnah is, Hakol ksherin lahavi as haget. Everyone could bring a get. They could bring the shliach that says b'fanai nechtav chutz mecheres shaita v'katan. A cheres shaita v'katan can't, because the Gemara says that lab b'nei deya. Suma also can't. We'll say why in a second. And a nachri can't do it because he can't be a shliach, because it says atem gamatem, and a guy is mufka from the parsha of shlichus. It has to be dum yadi Yisrael. The Gemara says that a Eved Kanani, the Gemara says two pshatim, either he could be a shliach or he also can't be a shliach because of a different svara, that he's eina b'teres gitin b'kedushin, so someone who can't do something himself and he can't give a get himself, so therefore he can't be a shliach to give a get. What about summa? The Mishnah said a summa can't be a shliach, so the Gemara comes out that it's dafka talking about a chutz la'aretz where you needed to say b'fanai nechtam, and a summa can't see, so you can't say b'fanai nechtam. Mishnah Vav, Kibel hakatan v'higdel cheresh v'nispakeach summa v'nispateach shoita v'nishtatva nochi v'nisgayer. Let's say at the time that they were mekabel the get as a shliach, they had the chesaron, they were a katan, or they were a cheresh, or a summa, or a shaita, or a nachri, and then afterwards they became that sibo got removed, like the katan was higdel. So then pasal, it's still pasal, because at the time that they were mekabel it, you have to be kosher. Aval pikeach v'nischarish chazer v'nispakeach pasuach v'nistama v'chazer v'nispateach shafay v'nishtata v'chazer v'nishtatva. So if at the time that they received it from the Baal and the time that they gave it over to the Isha, they were b'kashers, even though in between they were b'paslos, that's okay. Ze'akal kosher tchilasa v'seifa b'das kosher. As long as the tchila and the seif was b'das, it's kosher.